if I have a head that's over to this side, what would be something to look at? Where does it go if I just go in this direction? Do I go in this direction? Do I go that direction? Look, that way? No, this way goes easier. Look, here, can you see my line? This way. This way, and if I go that way, stop. Yeah. You always have to look to find something that goes back and forth to start with something. If I want to return, if I think to return the same direction, this will never work, right? Look, I try the same way, look, you feel stuck. It has to go higher or lower. How high, how low. So look, if I'm going here, now if I think higher, for me it would be something like here. So I could try it, and look, oh, and there it goes. Look, immediately I find that that's the response I get. She feels it very clearly. Look, this way, and I'm trying now, this is my angle. I have to think in an angle. How much do I push? Because I feel, look how easy that will come. Look, and now I have the opposite side. In this plane, just one plane.